Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to recover deleted mails from Gmail. So you have to go to the Gmail first. Then let's delete a mail from here. Deleting this one. Prayer for leave of advance. This one, I'm gonna delete this. Click on delete. And how you can find this or how you can recover that mail. You have to click on more option. Then scroll down till you find trash. Click on trash. Then you'll find that mail what we have deleted here. So how you can recover it, right click on that mail and then you will find here move to inbox or move to anywhere you can add. Okay, I'm choosing the inbox, so it will come from inbox and it will go to inbox again. So now let's check inbox. You can see that this mail has been back again. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.